You know, I was supposed to open a brewery. At least, that was the plan. I was an IT engineer who just got obsessed with home brewing. And like a lot of brewers, I had this dream that one day I'd go and build my own brewery. But there was one problem. The more I tried to learn about brewing online, the more misinformation and opinions I found, and it just didn't help. Too much misinformation and not enough real brewing knowledge. So I went and did what any normal person would do. I went to university and I did a postgraduate degree in brewing. And then I made the jump. I left IT and I went and got my first job as a professional brewer at a little brewery called Prickly Moses in regional Victoria, Australia. And I loved it. Then I became head brewer at a contract brewery in Geelong called Southern Bay Brewing Company, where we were brewing about 1.2 million litres of beer per year and had an amazing team of just some awesome lads. It was pretty cool. But the dream of having my own brewery, it never went away. So in 2013, I started my own gypsy brewing company called Brew. Bought a couple of tanks in an established brewery and got to work brewing some amazing hype beers. They were the beers that I wanted to make. Big beers, fun beers, all of the hype beers. You know the ones. And then in 2015, I won the Gabs Festival People's Choice for my Imperial Milk Stout called Milk and Two Sugars. And the next year, I won the Champion Gypsy Brewer Trophy for my IPA called Thanks Captain Obvious. I was on top of the world. But the next year, in 2017, it all came unravelled and Brew went into liquidation. And that hurt a lot. But here's the thing, I still love brewing. So I picked myself up, dusted myself off, and went and got myself a job as a production brewer at Stoner Wood Brewing Company in Moorlambar, New South Wales. We were brewing millions of litres of Stoner Wood Pacific Ale, and just the magnitude of the brewery was a real eye-opener for me. But it felt like a factory. So I went and started the company homebrewing club called the League of Extraordinary Brewers, and we started to inject some passion and some fun into what was a big production brewery. It was pretty neat. And looking back now, there was a thread that was running through my entire professional brewing history. I just loved sharing knowledge, and I just loved helping brewers cut through the noise and brew some really awesome beer. I loved helping people understand the why behind great beer, and I loved being the silent partner behind lots of award-winning beers that are for sale here in Australia. And that's what eventually became the Rockstar Brewer Academy. These days, I coach home brewers and professional brewers from all over the world, and I help them brew better beer with better consistency, better quality, and with more confidence. And I loved it so much that I went and got my teaching degree, and what I do now part-time is I teach brewing at a local technical college here in Brisbane, Australia. It's pretty neat. I love helping new brewers in the industry get their foot in the door and start to build a career, because apparently I can't help myself. I just love sharing brewing knowledge that much. It's just something that I love to do. Now look, I can get a bit loud sometimes, and I'm a love or hate kind of guy, I know that. But as a brewer, as a teacher, mentor and coach, and most importantly, as a person, I try to do better every day. So if you're new here, g'day, I'm Hendo. I'm from the Rockstar Brewer Academy, and you're probably wondering why they call me Hendo. Well, my real name is Steve Henderson, but nobody calls me Steve, except for my mum, Steve and Patrick if I'm really in trouble, but everybody else, literally everybody, including my late father, always called me Hendo. So if you're a home brewer or a pro brewer and you're trying to brew better beer, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now let's go brew some awesome beer together. Cheers.